So hello and welcome दोस्तों. This is 8th lecture in the IR series, IR or mapping series, right? So do watch my other lectures which focuses on the other regions where India has relevance, or the regions which are important from India's perspective. So do watch those other lectures. So in this lecture we will focus on the Kalapani river, Kalapani region dispute. So Kalapani is a region. So this is a Kalapani region which is a disputed region between the India and Nepal. So the dispute between the Kalapani and the India has a historical roots. So this region used to be part of the Nepal. So in the back before 1884, in 1814 there was a short war between the British and Nepal. So before this war, this region, that is Kumaon Garhwal region and the Sikkim region, were part of the Nepal. But after the defeat in this 1814 war with the British India, the Nepal has to cede this territory to the British India, and they decided that the river Kali should be the boundary between the India and Nepal. So region west to the river Kali and region east to the river Kali will be belong to the Nepal, and the region west to the river Kali will be belong to the India. So the dispute lies in the fact that where is the origin of the river Kali. So this is the dispute. So Nepalese experts believe that since the mountains at the Limpiadhura are at higher elevation, so these mountains at higher elevation, right, so this should be the origin of the river Kali. But Indian experts believe that the river Kali gets its name from the region Kalapani, and here the Kali river gets its name and known as Kali river. So Indian experts believe that river Kali originates at this place. Hence the area west to the river Kali belongs to the India. And even revenue record and administrative record both indicate that this region has been historically part of India and administered by India, right? So because of that, India believes that this region is part of India. But what happened in May 2020, that India inaugurated a 80-kilometer long motorable road from Dharchula district of the Uttarakhand to the Lipulek Pass. So this is a motorable road which will help in tourists to go to the Mansarovar Yatra, right? So when India inaugurated a road in protest, Nepal published new map of the Nepal under KP Sharma Oli government, which shows that this region as a part of Nepali territory. So because of this incident, this issue came to limelight, right? So it's better that you know this region, that this is Limpiadhura Pass, this is Kalapani, and this is Lipulek Pass. So Lipulek Pass has an important trade route between India and China. This is also a tourist place. This is also tourist road which goes to the Kailas Mansarovar Yatra. Since we are discussing about the Kailas Mansarovar Yatra and this motorable road, we must know that Mansarovar region is very important, because this is the region where river Indus originate. Satluj river originate in Rakshasthal near Mansarovar, and Brahmaputra river originate near Chamayungdung glacier near Mansarovar lake itself. So Mansarovar lake is important from India's perspective, and it is also important for perspective of India and Nepal relationship, right? So you must know that Mansarovar and Kailas Mounts have never been part of India. This is according to the Google sources. It has always been part of the Tibet region of the China, right? Hence India doesn't claim these areas. So this was all about today's lecture. So try, if you have any questions regarding this area or this dispute, do post that question in comment section. I will try to answer. Again, I would like to stress that India and Nepal has a very cordial relations. Remember this, very cordial relations. We have open border, right? We have open border. In Indian military, around 40,000 Gurkhas are employed and they are fighting on behalf of India. Also India trains a Nepali army in a big way, right? And we have hydrological cooperation, we have transboundary trade cooperation with Nepal. So India and Nepal has a very special relationship, and because of that it is important to important that we resolve our dispute very diplomatically, right? because we have a historically roti-beti kind of relationship with Nepal. So from that perspective, relationship with Nepal are important, and the regions that are being in dispute are also important, right? Hence I covered these regions in today's lectures. So hope this lecture helps, and this lecture will help you in prelim and mains as well. If you like this lecture, do subscribe, and thank you.